The global VOD industry is expected to grow to US $87.1 billion by 2024. You too can utilize this growing opportunity by starting your own VOD platform. How? Just follow these simple steps. Number 1. Research and plan. Market research. Competition analysis. Set up target and USP. Number 2. Produce your content. Original content. Content for diverse demographics and genre. Regional content. Number 3. Option for a competitive VOD platform provider. Number 4. Scale your marketing. Number 5. Analyze the result and optimize. Muvi, the all-in-one OTT VOD platform provider, can help you launch your own branded VOD platform. Customizable video player, scalable CDN, auto-encoding and transcoding, SEO optimization tools, multi-DRM protection. The perks are unlimited. Take a 14-day free trial to start today.